we've got a brake light out on our Volkswagen van. So this is a T6 Multivan, same as the Transporter, and we've got to change that bulb, so it's the top one there. Now, this light isn't held in by much. It's held in by 2 screws here and here, Phillips. Now, I've already taken them out. They're basic. Just take them out with a regular screwdriver and set them aside. So we'll put those there. Now, to get the light out, it's just set on 2 pegs, but they go in sideways. So we need to remove it this way. So we'll try to film this at the same time. They kind of clip. There we go. There's not much holding it in. So that's the light off. So that there, that peg and that peg are what hold it in onto that notch and that notch. Okay, then we get a wire, of course, because it's a light. We're just going to want to push down on here and pull it back. There we go. Okay, now that we get the light off, let's have a look. So that's the top there with the reverse up top. I think it's the reverse. Now the brake light is that one of these ones here. So I'll take this apart. Again, we got a bunch of Phillips. We'll just whiz through these. Now that we've got them unscrewed, this back piece should just come right off. There we go. Yeah, it just pulls off. You can feel there's a gasket there. And yes, that would be the blown bulb there. So they are just a gently push and turn. There we go. Now we need a new one of these fellers. So size, it is 12 volt. What style is it? I'll find the style. I'll put the style on the screen because I got to whip up to the auto parts store and get a replacement. So we'll hop in one of the other cars and go get it now. Okay, where is it? I think it's got 12 P21/5W P21/5W stop tails. Looks like that's the one. Cool. Okay, back from the shop, got the bulbs, and we're going to install. Now, you don't want to touch them with your bare hands, so you want to wear gloves or hold it with a tissue or paper towel or something. So we'll just open those up and put them in. Now, there's a definite way to get them in. I'll show you in a second here. Okay, with these bulbs, there's a definite, the pins on the side. See, there are 2 different heights. One's higher than the other. See, that one's really right on the end, or that's a bit further up. Now, it corresponds with this. So there's one side, see that there, where that slots in, that's the taller side. So is it in the taller side? Yep. Push down and a slight turn to the right, because it's kind of spring loaded. So that's it. Bulb is replaced. Do the other side if you want. Good time on this car to check the gasket, the seal around. So now we're just going to gently plug it back in there so it all lines up. You don't want to mark it, smash any other bulbs. And we got the little silver screws to put back in there. These are only in lightly because it's just in the plastic. Cool, screws are in. Now we'll just reinstall. All right, so we'll start with the plug. That can only go on one way. That goes on there, and then these are going to push in from the side. And they kind of just, that's it. And we got the two
black bolts.
Two black screws for here. Again, not super tight, they just need to be snug. There we go, bulb changed, everything's there flush.
About a 10-minute job, maybe?
Not even 10 minutes, 2 minutes. Now we're gonna test. Now the test. There we go. Foot on the brake. Yes, brake lights. Other side, of course. Yeah, that works fine. Perfect. That's a very quick job. The longest part of that job was driving to buy the bulb, but that was a very fast job.